So, Purav, welcome to the Knowledge Capsules show. How has your day been going?
बहुत बिजी क्योंकि सुबह से 2 क्लासेस थे। एक तो मैंने मिस किया इस चीज के लिए।
कौन सी क्लास मिस की है तुमने?
एक मेरा ट्यूशन था,
On which subject?
इंग्लिश।
On English. Are you good in English?
या
Yeah, so hence you could miss. Very nice. So, welcome to this podcast. And I would like to ask you a few things. Can I do that? Do you like quizzes?
Yep.
Do you participate in quizzes?
हाँ, इंटर स्कूल में बहुत सारे किए हूँ।
Inter school. What about inter house and online?
हाँ,
Do
वो
you?
तो होते ही रहते हैं।
So, do you win any also or just?
Yeah. This year I participated in the inter house quiz. Even inter school, but inter school में we came third,
Okay.
and in inter house we came first.
So, would you consider yourself a good quizzer for
Yep.
the age that you are in?
Yeah.
Does that sound a little overconfident or does that
Confident.
confident or so you know there is a very small line between confidence and overconfidence, what we have told you. So, let me try and take a small quiz. The fun fact about this quiz is so, what you can also do is you have a set of questions, I have a set of questions. Basically, like I was telling you, there is a small, very thin line between confidence and overconfidence. So, a great quizzer and a overconfident quizzer के बीच में बड़ी difference है. To solve that, let's do this quiz. So, you have a set of paper, I have a set of paper. We can both ask each other questions one by one or?
One by one.
Okay, let's do. Should I start?
पूछेगा? ठीक।
Since I think teacher first or student. This is your podcast. Why don't we let you start? Anything. Ask me any question from that, or you could ask me a question of anything you have thought about, heard, any fact you like.
This ancient Indian text is not a religious scripture, but a treatise on statecraft, economics, and military strategy, written by Kautilya Chanakya.
Can you give me options?
A. Ashtrashtra. B. Vedas. C. Upanishads. D. Ramayana.
Okay, before I answer, I would like to ask you, do you know the answer to this question?
Yes.
You know the answer to this question? Okay, can you repeat options one by one?
A. Arthrashtra.
Arthashastra.
Arthashastra.
Okay.
B. Vedas. C. Upanishads. D. Ramayana.
So if I would answer, I know the answer too, but we can eliminate and find out answers, correct? Ramayan, can it be Ramayan?
Nah.
No, okay. Second, Vedas also easy, goes away. So 50-50 lifeline अपने यूज कर लिया. कौन से 2 ऑप्शंस बचे?
अर्थराष्ट्र,
अर्थशास्त्र.
अर्थशास्त्र और Upanishads.
Do you know what Upanishad is?
No.
Neither do I. So the right answer is the most obvious one. It is the Arthashastra. So again, very basically how quizzing works. Very beautiful. Now my chance. Okay, I'll ask you not a very difficult question, but I'll ask you a fact that I don't know if it is true or false. Okay.
Difficulty पूछोगे मतलब?
Today, 75% of us dream in color. आज की तारीख में 75% हम लोग में से कलर में देखते हैं. Before the color television, only 15% of humans dreamt in color. What do you think? Do you think this fact is true or false?
False.
False, obviously, right? I mean, why would we need...
पहले तो वही 15% क्यों देखेंगे? पूरा दुनिया ही एक साथ देखेगा ना.
और आज कोई ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में सपने
वही,
देखता है? तुम
नहीं.
ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में सपने देखते हो?
नहीं.
किस में देखते हो? कलर में. So this fact is?
False.
The right answer, it is true. This fact is actually true. There was a survey done and it is said that... Now, my question to you is, इसमें लिखा हुआ है कलर टेलीविजन के पहले के बाद 75% हम लोग देखते हैं कलर में. इसका मतलब आज की तारीख में भी there are 25% of people in the world who dream in
Blind people.
Black and white, but we could be blind. That is one very good part. That could be blind. But okay, you ask. You can ask me a question that is not written there also, by the way. Anything that you think or any question you think I can't answer, try beating me is...
How many centuries does Virat Kohli have?
You-
Option A,
Okay.
80. Option B, 82. Option C, 81. Option D, 83.
Well, not... He just hit one, because of which I think he 83,
Wrong.
82. 82, 83. See, I was confused. I
BGT
should
में BGT में last मारा था.
Last नहीं, अभी तो मारा ना विराट
अभी
कोहली.
नहीं, 50 मारा था.
Oh, he hit a 50. He did not hit a century. Yeah, correct.
71 में मारा.
71. Super, very nice. So my chance. So there was this very famous museum that was robbed very recently. Can you tell me the name of this museum? It was a smash and grab job. The robbers came in 8 minutes. They were out with the treasure.
Museum का नाम नहीं पता, but I know this situation.
Name of the... Okay, I'll give you a hint. It's in Paris.
वो तो मुझे भी पता है.
You
but
know it's in Paris.
Name नहीं पता.
Okay. It's the Louvre
Options,
Museum. It's the
options.
Louvre Museum. I'll give you that. Can you tell me one very famous painting in the museum?
Mona Lisa.
It is painted by...
Leonardo da Vinci.
Any other painting that was painted by him?
I don't know.
Okay, The Last Supper. Where was Leonardo da Vinci from? Which country? He was from Italy. Okay, I give you a hint. So Italy is shaped in which footwear?
Boot shape.
Boot shape. There is a very small country inside Italy. Can you tell me what it is?
Venice.
No. Starts with V. Very close, where the Pope lives.
V. Vatican City.
Vatican City. Superb. The Vatican City is the smallest city in the smallest country in the
World.
Very nice. Can you tell me
It's
what?
just a church.
There's
Church
a-
है.
हाँ.
वो बस church है. And they have made it a city.
So it. Can you tell me any fun facts about Vatican City if you know?
अभी जो बोला वही एक
Very
fun
fun
fact.
fact. Acha. I'll ask you one more. What is the smallest state in India?
Goa.
Is the correct answer. Okay. Any difficult questions you think? Okay. There are 2 tests. You like cricket?
Yup.
You like cricket?
Yeah.
So 2 test matches happening today. Can you tell me both?
India versus South Africa.
And there is another one happening right now.
I think
3 innings are...
Pakistan versus नहीं.
Okay, I'll give you a hint. It is happening in the southern hemisphere.
Australia versus New Zealand.
No, it's called the Ashes.
Australia versus England.
Australia versus England. The Ashes series is happening. The first
अच्छा,
match.
अभी हो रहा है वो?
Yeah, which is just happening today. So, can you tell me what time? What is the time?
2.
2 बज गए हैं?
1:59.
Okay, super. Do you have time till 2 o'clock? Do you have another tuition after this? आज भी मम्मी कहीं लेके जा रही है क्या पढ़ाने? इसके बाद?
नहीं, हाँ इसके बाद एक और है.
ट्यूशन? Children nowadays. हम लोग के टाइम पे भी था लेकिन ऐसा नहीं था. Okay, back to my question. Ashes is played between which 2 countries?
Australia versus England.
Do you know why is it called the Ashes or anything about it? Okay, I'll ask you easy. Capital of Australia?
Steve Smith.
Captain of Australia? Capital of Australia?
अच्छा, capital of Australia, Canberra.
Canberra, very nice. Any other capitals? What about capital of
New Zealand.
Turkey? Not easy. Capital of Turkey. Okay, big cities in Turkey? Big city in Turkey? Any city in Turkey that you know of? Istanbul? Have you heard about Istanbul? No. Okay, I'll ask you one more. What is the...
हाँ, आप ही पास पूछा जा रहा हूँ, मेरे को भी चांस दो.
पूछो.
India's first underground metro opened in which city? Easy है.
It is.
मैं क्या बोलूँ?
So it is in the city which is called the city of firsts, which is Kolkata. Kolkata. Yes. It is Kolkata. Kolkata is the city of firsts and the first underground metro. So since you have brought up this question, let me ask
First
you.
underground metro यहाँ नहीं था.
जी हाँ, in India the first.
Delhi.
How do you know that?
Google देखता हूँ मैं सारा दिन पढ़ा नहीं रहता हूँ.
The first ever underground metro in India was in Kolkata. Okay, the first zoo in India was also in Kolkata. Can you tell me which is the?
अलीपुर.
Alipur Zoo.
हाँ 200 साल हो गए ना.
Yeah, so first zoo in India was in Kolkata. I'll ask you one more.
अलीपुर is in Kolkata.
Yeah.
मैं सोचा अलीपुर कोई अलग ही डिस्ट्रिक्ट है.
Very close. Have you not been to the Alipur Zoo? Been to the National Library?
National
Have you heard National Library is haunted?
Yeah, at night.
You've heard this part. This you know that National Library is haunted. How grapevine communication travels. School में और भी कोई ऐसे बोलते हैं कि कोई स्कूल के भी एरियाज haunted है?
अभी तक तो नहीं.
So you realize that Purva Bhattacharya and Aditya Podar have been from the same school. You joined school in class? Ankuran, from when you started. So I joined school in class 1 also. So we are technically both, I have just left school and you are in the middle of it. Super. Should we go on?
Let it close now. Then I'll walk in with the Sir, ये भी बोल दो आप. You can talk for it.
आपका chair है.
You close on to this
Okay.
conversation.
Okay, so Purav, any last questions?
Who wrote Mahabharata? Options गलत है.
पूरा नहीं कुछ
नहीं.
क्रिकेट ही पूछो नहीं बोल पाएंगे.
ठीक.
मैम शायद भूल रही है कि ये क्वेश्चंस मैंने ही बनाए हैं.
अच्छा वो भी. चीटर. ठीक है.
Ask me a question अपने मन से पूछो. Show me what you got.
Which Indian cricketer has the number of centuries along with his jersey number? मतलब which Indian cricketer उसका jersey number उसके century number से match होता है?
Any options?
Option A Sunil Gavaskar, option B Sachin Tendulkar, option C Virat Kohli, option D Rohit Sharma.
So if I use 50-50, I can remove Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli.
ठीक है.
Does that sound right?
मैं क्यों बोलूँ?
I'm taking 50-50 option.
मैं नहीं बोलूँगा.
इतना तो तुमको भी केबीसी
मैं
में
नहीं
मिला था या
बोलूँ.
नहीं? और लाइफ लाइन
50-50 नहीं है.
तुम यूज ही नहीं किए.
50-50 था ही नहीं लाइफ लाइन.
आजकल 50-50 है ही नहीं. तो क्या लाइफ लाइन तुम यूज नहीं किए?
Ask the expert.
वो तुम यूज किए नहीं तो the expert here on cricket is you, but okay, I'll guess. Maybe Sunil Gavaskar I would go with.
जब सुनील गावस्कर खेलता था तब जर्सी नंबर ही नहीं होते थे.
टेस्ट क्रिकेट में भी नहीं. टेस्ट क्रिकेट में नहीं, ओडीआई में भी नहीं होते थे.
1980s में कहाँ जर्सी नंबर होते थे?
ओडीआई में तो होते होंगे.
हाँ तो सुनील गावस्कर कब ओडीआई खेला?
Sunil Gavaskar was a cricketer. He played ODI cricket also.
कब से?
No.
1990 में रिटायर किया है.
So T20 cricket came in 2004. ODI cricket has been going on for 50 years.
हाँ तब वो नहीं होते थे.
जर्सी नंबर नहीं होते थे. So is Sachin Tendulkar the right answer?
सचिन तेंदुलकर का जर्सी नंबर 10 था. उसके सेंचुरी
So cannot be him. Virat Kohli? No. That is Rohit Sharma. Very smart.
45,
Very
45.
smart. 45. What if he hits one more? What if he hits one more? This question becomes false. So with that, I think this
अभी
is.
तक मारा नहीं है.
तुम ये आज श्योर है कि तुम मेरे से ज्यादा चालू और स्मार्ट हो पूरब. So with this, I think आज का छोड़ दे या तुम्हें और भी कुछ ऐसा पूछना है?
जब ये ओडीआई सीरीज हुआ था ना रिसेंट, इसके अगेंस्ट था साउथ अफ्रीका. ओडीआई नॉट टेस्ट. रोहित शर्मा ने अपना 45th सेंचुरी मारा था
अच्छा, और
Last
अभी भी तो ओडीआई है,
T20 में,
अभी नेक्स्ट भी तो
थर्ड ओडीआई में।
साउथ अफ्रीका और इंडिया का ही ओडीआई सीरीज
नहीं,
भी
ये
है।
तो टेस्ट हो रहा है।
इसके बाद ओडीआई भी और T20 भी है शायद।
T20 तो रोहित और विराट नहीं खेलते।
नहीं खेलेंगे, सो ओडीआई में मे बी वी विल बी एबल टू सी
मे बी नहीं, सी
हु हिट अ सेंचुरी, विराट और रोहित।
रोहित।
I would vouch for Virat more.
विराट उस मैच में हाफ सेंचुरी मारा था।
Last वाले में, but in the upcoming series, I really hope Virat Kohli hits a century. So
83rd।
83rd, and maybe then my answer to the Virat Kohli question would have been right for you. So see, this is how everyday facts change, Purav, in quizzing. Every day you have to keep yourselves updated. I'm really glad that you are actually putting in an effort at this young age to learn so much, to realize how important keeping yourself up to date with newspapers, facts, and current affairs is. So with that, please have your fruity, and we would like to end today's quiz. आज आप 5 लाख रुपए तो नहीं जीते, बट आज आई थिंक आई वन
18 साल
समथिंग।
बाद।
18 साल बाद।
18 साल बाद।
Did you do the math, by the way? Before I end, I want to ask you, did you do the math that if you put 5 lakh rupees today in an FD for a modest 8% return, how much money would you get when you turn 18?
मुझे नहीं पता, मैं उतना
So
हाई
this
लेवल
is
मैथमेटिक्स
my
नहीं करता हूँ।
homework to you, कि Purav, go find out.
आप अभी एंड करो। मुझे एक ऐसे एक क्वेश्चन,
ऐसी पूछ।
जो श्री शिक्षायतन में जो क्विज हो रहा है, आप होस्ट कर रहे हो?
इंटर स्कूल क्विज हो रहा है?
Inter-school.
कब है?
और 6 दिसंबर आई थिंक।
अभी तक तो नहीं, but do you want me to host? Are you participating? Okay. I will talk to Shri Shikshayatat School and see if I can host. If not, I can help you win the quiz. Which you don't need help, do you? Do you?
किसका नाम?
A bit.
You need help? I don't think so.
A bit.
A bit. That is the sign of a good student also. Always. We are all, as a teacher, we are also students. Huh? Every day we learn every single thing. So there is no end to learning. And there can be no end to learning. With this, I think we should end today's podcast.